Hello guys, welcome to this third video series of Oracle Weblogic. In this we are just going to see about how to create Oracle Weblogic domain. Okay, so we'll just start now. So as I mentioned earlier in my first video, we can just find the installation script of domain inside a Weblogic server common binaries. Okay, so this is the exact location where you will find that executable. So we having it inside WebLogic server home, common and bin. Okay, so I'm just going to use this configured as such script, install the stuff. Okay, so just give configured as such, just run it. And similar to our installation, the domain creation also, if there is no J available, it will automatically fall back to the console mode. Okay, so I'm just, so by default it's selected create a new WebLogic domain, so I'm just giving an enter, and by default it is telling like choose WebLogic platform components. You can choose the WebLogic components you want support in domain. So I just want to give it a default. I don't want to choose the second option as well. So I'm just giving next again. So the available templates inside our downloaded bundle is you can create a basic WebLogic server domain. You can create sim domain. You can create JAX RPC remote procedure called extension, and you can also create Java Web Services extension. Okay, so I just want to select this one. So this is selected. If you want to select this, you can enter 2. If you want to select this, you enter 3. If you want to select this, you can enter 4. So I just want to enter the default one and just leaving it as it is. So now you can enter your WebLogic domain. By default, the name is base domain. I just want to leave it to this base domain, and by default, the domains will be installed inside the middleware home user projects domains. I just want to leave it as it is. So I just want to enter the password for my domain. So I'm just entering a password. So similarly, I'm just confirming the password again by giving 3. So I entered both of them. So the username and password of to log into my management console of Oracle WebLogic administration console. So I'm just giving enter. There are 2 modes to access in WebLogic. One is development and protection. So as I'm just going to use it for development purpose, I'm just going to install this as in development mode. So we have 2 JVMs available. One is Sun JVM and one is JRocket JVM. So I'm just going to use Sun JVM. So I'm not doing anything. If you want JRocket JVM, you can just enter one. So now I don't want to create any RDBMS store. I don't want to create any managed servers clusters machine. So I can do it once I create an admin server. I can do everything from the console itself. So I'm just going to create only one administration server. So I'm just giving enter again. So I don't want to change anything because it's going to assign to all local ports, and then it's going to listen this particular port and the IP address. And I don't want to do any SSL configurations as of now. So I'm just going to give enter. So that's it. The domain creation is completed. Okay, that's good. So now we can go back to our domain now. So we just use projects domains. Okay, so this is my base domain. So this is my domain folder. So inside every domain you will find a binaries which will hold 2 primary scripts. One is to start the admin server, one is start the manage server. The another one is to set the environment variable. So you will find totally 5 scripts inside it. one to start and stop admin server, one to start and stop WebLogic, other one is to set environment variable. So I'm just going to start my default the admin server which I installed now a minute back. So I just want to start this. I'm just giving start, and parallelly I'm just kickstarting my browser as well, just to verify my console. So it's starting the WebLogic JVM using the JDK which we specified, which is on JVM, and by default it is passing the min and max JVM heap size. So 256, so max 512 MB is assigned to this particular JVM. Now you can change this value by editing the environment variables. So you can just find the version of the WebLogic here. So it's 10.3.6.0. So that's it. We started, the server is running fine. So okay. So I know the IP of that particular machine, so I'm just trying to access it. Outside, okay. 192.168.6.1. The port number is 7001, and that is entering it. 1.6. Okay. The reason for this is actually I'm just install my WebLogic in my virtual machine, and this is my physical machine. So I'm just trying to log. So this is the console of your WebLogic. Okay, so I'm just using 11G. You can find the version here. If you want to know the inner version, means the sub exact version of it, you can just find over here 10.3.6, which is the 11G's last version. Okay, so after that Oracle released 12.1.1, 12.1.2, and 12.1.3. And 10.3.6 is, just for information, 10.3.6 is Java E5 component application server, whereas 10.12.1.23 or Java E6 component application server. Already Java E7 is already available in the market, and as per my knowledge, this is only currently only supported by Glassfish, and all other application servers are trying to accommodate Java E7 in their forthcoming releases. So I'm just entering my username password while I've created the domain. So this is what my username and password is. So I think I entered something wrong. Oh, sorry. It's 123. Yes. Sorry, bad memory. I just forgot the password. So login is successful. It will take you to this. Okay. It will take you to their homepage, where you will find the details about servers, clusters, virtual host, migrated forwards, concurrent servers, concurrent clusters, and deployments and JMS, and all other data sources and stuff. So you can just see our current admin server state by just clicking on that link. So we have one admin server which is running, and the health is okay, and which port number is on this one. And if you want to know the other things, you can just go to this, customize this table. You can just get whatever you want. Okay, so for example, if I want to see my heap size current, you can just it and I can just apply it. Okay. Okay. That's it, guys. So see you in the next session, and till that, bye bye. Hope you enjoyed the session. Thanks for watching.